Yeah, good afternoon. We want to let out some of the things in our chest, and it will be based on electrical engineering. As we know, for you to be a very good engineer, you have to have the best knowledge of circuit analysis. And today we'll be focusing on the two basic principles in circuit analysis, that is the series circuit and parallel circuit. Though if you have been following us, you will notice we've done several videos explaining these two various circuits. So where we talked about the characteristics and the principles that are governing them. At least I can remember one now. That is when you talk about VDR, that is voltage divider rule. You are actually looking at the series circuit, and when you talk about CDR, that is current divider rule, you are referring to the parallel circuit. And why am I bringing this to fold is that in a series connection across every resistive component in that very circuit, there is always a voltage drop. So what we mean by voltage drop is to give you the sense of the VDR that we talked about, that is voltage divider rule. And we notice that at every point the voltage level is not the same. The voltage level is not the same in a series circuit, whereas the current remains the same. That is why when you want to do your Christmas lights, disco light, most of the time it is connected in series connection. Why is it connected in series connection? It is connected in series connection because at every point of that very connection, the same current level flow through all the bulbs. Let's say you have 100 bulbs in series, connected in series, and it's being supplied with 230 volts at a particular current level. You will see that all the 100 bulbs will light up, and the same illumination, provided they are having the same wattage, that is the power rating of all the individual bulbs in series connection. So the light will on all of the 100 bulbs and with the same illumination. But when you connect these same 100 bulbs in parallel, you notice that the 100 bulbs will not light up. Why? Can anybody guess the answer? If you have the answer, you can comment in the comment section. Do well to like and share. And I also want to bring to the notice of the public that our counterparts, that's the world, the Nigerian counterpart, that's other countries, they are developing in engineering, they are developing in AI knowledge, they are developing in technology, they are developing in ICT knowledge. But over us here, we are bent on following content based on amusement and how funny it is, but we are not very interested in educational content. So I am also using this medium as well to give a lending voice, so that we sit up to the responsibility of the 21st century country that will compete with our contemporaries. That's every other country in the world. We see the Chinese, we see the Japanese, we see every other country. They are developing in AI, they are developing in ICT and various other educational endeavors that I can talk of. So we shouldn't be very bent on looking for videos that are funny, videos that are not worthwhile, just to make ourselves amuse and laugh. And at the same time, the world is climbing to the far ends of knowledge. So if you have the question we just raised, do well to comment on the comment section. Though A next video on the answer to this very question will be coming up next. So if you have it, the answer, do well to share, like and comment. And the very best answer, or the very correct answer, will be winning a 1,000 naira voucher. So the exercise lasts from now till the next 72 hours. So we'll be looking forward to see who gets the answer, or who are very up and doing when it comes to electrical engineering.